Pig walks by the river. Sees a crocodile, give a shiver. Snorty the Pig waves his hand. Crocodile swims to the sand. Snorty the Pig counts crocodile teeth, sharp and white underneath. Snorty the Pig isn't scared at all. Crocodile is friendly, having a ball. Snorty the Pig and Crocodile play, splashing water all through the day. Crocodile is friend, round and round. Snorty the Pig laughs at the sound. Snorty the Pig sits on a log. Crocodile hops just like a frog. Snorty the Pig claps his feet. Crocodile dances, such a treat. Snorty the Pig waves goodbye now. Crocodile gives a happy bow. Snorty the Pig skips back home. Crocodile friend no more alone.